me Nkcmhy3 na nenye detail names, destinations and all that. But I can tell you, say, Nkcmhy3, when you sat under my ministry, you know, and understood it, and until say when you mention about so I can boldly tell you 80% of the Nkcmhy3 80%, it doesn't come to pass. It was accurate. We mentioned names, we mentioned telephone numbers, we mentioned, but the prophecy didn't come to pass. Godliness. Told me that will be a shady free fee. I be uranya me fi am tunsi enwene. Serious, enwene. Because who benya me fi say me gina hey me kwa kwasra His Majesty Utumfo say to the second. Na me de chale akoduro. I draw me she mini skirt my hwini no mni ade. Na na hwe me awotime wo say akoe wo nwene. So what Jina obetuto ne niema nso aba. This is why anybody who wants to meet the king goes through a protocol. And they make sure that you are going to stand before the king right. When you go to England, before you even speak to His Majesty the King Charles, those days, Ohimano, ye chira how to address even Ohimano. You either say Your Majesty or Ma'am. Obi edumano no obi be chira the royal protocol. Oba, you know, omtine nsa so ochia wa untimi nchia no. Eniye mebi ho anya te said ye Ghana ha ye hu obi ne ebu na ehu no ane ebu nkotodwe ye te ha ye musa nkotodwe no. Ontine nsa so ochia wa untimi nchia. There is somebody who teaches you the protocol. And no nana Mordecai was in the life of Esther. Do this, don't do that. Remain this, that. Somebody is showing the way of salvation. Yeah. They are pointing the way to salvation. And so when I sit down carefully, as I bring my message to His people, when I sit down carefully and I look at, you know, our misplacements, the way we treat women, the way we treat men. I mean, young ladies, this generation, me sure the way will be be met me about fear be who papa se wope at the near my be young one day. A fool will be too ama be mano. After what dinner got tenani fear, we ambitious.